Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to write a review on Booking.com. Once you've submitted a review on Booking.com, you cannot simply go back and edit it. This is because reviews are tied to compelled stays and must retain authentic. All you can do is delete and rewrite the review. Contact Booking.com customer service through your account, inbox, then Booking.com messages, then see contact options. Ask them to remove your review so you can submit a new one. And after removal, you'll be able to leave another review only within 3 months of checkout. If your review contains errors like wrong dates, room type, or details, you can email or call the property. Sometimes they'll coordinate with Booking.com support to fix issues. And if you stay again, you can leave an updated review reflecting your new experience. Just note that reviews can only be changed within 3 months after checkout. And if your review violates Booking.com's guidelines like wrong language, personal details, Booking.com may remove it automatically. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.